The rise of AI in Hollywood is indeed a hot topic, and it's understandable why actors might be concerned about their future in the industry. AI technologies such as deepfake and generative AI can create highly realistic simulations of human actors, which raises questions about the potential displacement of human performers. However, there are several factors to consider. First and foremost, the unique human touch that actors bring to their performances is something AI may struggle to replicate. While AI can mimic certain aspects of human performance, it lacks the emotional depth, creativity, and spontaneity that human actors embody. Audiences often connect with the authenticity and vulnerability of human performances, which are challenging for AI to reproduce convincingly. The nuanced expressions, gestures, and emotional resonance that actors convey are essential components of storytelling that contribute to the overall impact of a film or TV show. Ethical and legal concerns also come into play when considering the use of AI to replace actors. The creation of AI-generated likenesses of actors raises questions about consent, intellectual property rights, and fair compensation. Actors and industry unions are advocating for regulations to protect their rights and ensure that AI is used responsibly. For instance, unauthorized use of an actor's likeness could lead to legal disputes and potential harm to their reputation and career. Establishing clear guidelines and legal frameworks is crucial to address these ethical dilemmas and protect the interests of actors. Rather than completely replacing actors, AI is more likely to be used as a collaborative tool to enhance and support their work. For example, AI can assist in creating digital avatars, generating background characters, or providing real-time effects during filming. This collaboration can free up actors to focus on their craft and explore new creative possibilities. AI-driven tools can also aid in de-aging actors for specific scenes or bringing historical figures to life, adding a new dimension to filmmaking. By working alongside AI, actors can leverage technology to push the boundaries of storytelling and achieve innovative cinematic experiences. The entertainment industry has a history of adapting to technological changes, and the rise of AI is no exception. Just as the advent of television and digital streaming brought new challenges and opportunities, the integration of AI will likely lead to new roles and career paths within the industry. Actors may need to develop new skills and embrace innovative approaches to stay relevant. For example, voice actors might find new opportunities in providing voices for AI-generated characters, while motion capture actors could play a key role in creating lifelike digital performances. The industry's ability to evolve and adapt to technological advancements will be crucial in navigating this transition. Ultimately, the success of AI in Hollywood will depend on audience preferences. While AI-generated content may offer new experiences, many viewers still value the unique qualities of human performances. The industry will need to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the essence of human creativity. Audiences appreciate the authenticity and emotional connection that human actors bring to the screen, and this demand will continue to shape the direction of the entertainment industry. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to disrupt the entertainment industry, it is unlikely to completely replace human actors. Instead, the industry may see a shift towards greater collaboration between AI and human talent, leading to new and exciting possibilities for storytelling and performance. By embracing technological advancements while maintaining ethical standards and respecting the unique contributions of human actors, Hollywood can continue to thrive in this evolving landscape. The future of entertainment will be shaped by the harmonious integration of AI and human creativity, offering audiences a rich and diverse array of cinematic experiences. I hope this provides a comprehensive overview of the potential impact of AI on Hollywood. If you have any specific aspects you'd like to explore further or need additional information, feel free to let me know.